In a significant event on Wednesday, a total of 85 voters from 20 families left the BJP, IPFT and CPIM to join Tipra Motha. The voters were officially inducted into the party during a public gathering held at Takarjala Lampra Market, organized by the Tipra Motha Takarjala Block Committee. The new members were warmly welcomed by Biswajit Kalai, MLA of the 12th Takarjala Constituency, and other party leaders.
Some President, Tipra Motha President,
The public gathering was also attended by other prominent leaders, including Manav-The, MLA 17 Kolagati Constituency, MDC Ganesh-The, MDC Umasankar-The, YTF President Suraj-The, and TWF former Vice President Sindhu Kanya Jamatia, among others. MLA Biswajit Kalai has addressed his speech at the gathering.
Chini Lampra hatiwo, sing kaisa cikonja kaisa Chini gathering, tayoro chung tini common party, especially BJP, IPFT, CPIM ya kare, Chini o party o tini Chini bubagrani, aja ideology wo, Tipra Motha o phai tini bana rom phai kya, prai kuri family moto, Chini voter angka 85 voter, already tini bersungai besar bana rom phai kya, sing brono, khabai kubai sing brono yasak sawo. Taibo bus kanggo Chini aro list tongo borok BJP ni borok rok Chini Motha phanan bagai borok sumbe communicate khai tongo khomlong phasingo taibo Chini kabang joining tongo sing bus kanggo tai koikdini bisingo no sing o Chini Takarjala Bidhan Sabha Kendra bo tai ingya hampano prai Chini 100 family rok Chini joining angui tongo common party ni phai tongo sing borok no bo haino daki na honai taibo tongchin thane jara tabu bakisa bakha udrung tonai ro by communicate choli tongo borok boldini jono consent horjak dau they will come soon guys ambai
BJP IPFT yakare phaile Tipra Motha join play ro khabai khubai lamso go BJP IPFT yakare bubagan thajane mare phaile ro khabai khubai lamso go bubagra Tipra Motha bubagra Kubun party yakare bubagan thajane mare phaile ro khabai khubai lamso go Kubun party yakare phaile ro khabai khubai lamso go
Reported by Ashok from Takarjala, Chini, Khorang.